For this activity, I chose to create a drawing of letters in one-point perspective, build a cardboard three-dimensional form from the drawing, and create a clay sculpture of it. I began with drawing a name in block letters showing two dimensions, length and width. I then drew each letter to a vanishing point to create the third dimension, depth. I then used the drawing to measure and cut the three-dimensional version of the drawing out of cardboard. I began with wedging and rolling a long slab using 1/4 inch slab sticks. I then measured and marked on the top and bottom to cut 1-inch wide slabs. I let the slabs dry to middle leather hard. This is the perfect drying stage to construct with since the clay is sturdy enough to build with, yet can still be manipulated. The clay moves like a leather belt. I cut the clay into smaller pieces so I could easily place them into a bag to prevent them from drying further. Stacking the clay also helps keep it from drying. I then removed the tape from the cardboard letter A and I used the pieces as a template to size and cut the clay pieces. Once the pieces are cut, I score and slip where each piece connects to another. Slip is clay that has been worked into a paste by adding water to it. Once the connecting joints have been scored, I add slip to one side. I press the clay pieces together firmly. Once the form is made, I use the craft stick and needle to refine the joints. I tamp the letter on the wedging board to flatten all the edges and smudge imperfections away. The D has a curved edge, so I will need to gently bend it. Often the clay will crack, but this can be fixed by adding water and smudging. The R really cracked, so I should have added water to it and compressed the clay piece before bending it. I learned from this and did this method with the letter S that has a lot of bend. Here I added water and compressed the clay with craft sticks. This prevented cracking in the future. I used a longer slab to place the letters onto. I place the letters on the slab to see the touch points to know where to score and slip. base slab was a little short, so I scored and slipped a piece of clay on to make it longer. To make the sculpture stronger, I scored and slipped a couple of them together. Finally, I used the craft stick and a little water to refine the surface texture. Once the sculpture is bone dry, it is no longer flexible and is very fragile. This stage is called greenware. Be careful when handling it. The sculpture is now placed in a kiln where it will be bisque fired and will be heated to about 1800 degrees and turned into stone. It will be much stronger but still breakable. I finished the sculpture by painting it with acrylic paint. It was difficult to get inside each letter and in between them, but by painting each side, I was able to reach the hard-to-reach places. Thanks for watching, everyone.